Reverend Auto 717. In this video, it's going to be a little hectic. I'll warn you right now. But I am about to be en route to get the big surprise. So there's going to actually be 3 different stops I got to do today. I got to go and pick up a trailer, so it gives you a hint there. And then I'm actually meeting a guy for some parts. And then the third is actually stopping at the final destination and then driving home. So it is currently about 11:45 a.m. in the morning. Got my son with me in the back seat. Had some difficulties with daycare today, so I just decided I'm just going to take him along. It's going to be a long driving day for him. I feel really bad, but don't really have any other choice to do. So just kind of dealing with that, and so we'll kind of go from there. So right now I am currently driving. We're going to go get some lunch and get him fed, and then hopefully he'll take a nap, and I'll go get the trailer, and we will head on our way to the first stop. So stay tuned. Thanks. Guys, welcome back. I got the trailer on. I got everything ready to go. Currently driving to the first location. I've got about an hour and a half yet to drive. So currently just gonna drive a little bit, and I'll touch base with you when I get there. So it should be pretty fun. So I'll touch base with you when I'm about 5 minutes away. So we'll see you then. Hey guys, so just about 5 minutes from this guy's place. So I'm just gonna try to get this stuff here, and I will show you exactly what I'm getting here very shortly. So stay tuned. Hey guys, so I just got done with the one stop. I got some wheels and tires. To show you when I get to the final destination, and I've been talking back and forth with the guy, and so hopefully it all pans out. I still got about an hour and 20-minute drive there. It's a long time. It's going to be a fun long trip. So got about an hour and 20 there, and then I got about an hour and 15 minutes or an hour and a half or so to get home then. So I got a good 3-4 hours ahead of me of driving. So we'll see how it goes, and we're going to be hoping for the best. So stay tuned, and I will show you what the big surprise is here shortly. Welcome back. It's the following evening. I had a rough day. My son got really sick, so but I didn't really get to end. Went to see the let's just put it as a car. Went and saw the car and got it, but I didn't really get any good footage of it because it was after dark by the time I got down there and everything. So just gonna show you the car. I did get a 1998 Mustang Cobra. It needs a little bit of work, but it got a lot of stuff in store for it. So let's just kind of show you the car. So here you go. Hey guys, so just wanted to reveal the new car. And there you go. It's a 1998 Mustang Cobra. Has about 88,000 miles on it. It's like a gray. It's from a Mazda. It's a Mazda gray, I believe. needs a little bit of work. I have a bunch of parts for it, which I can go over a little bit later. I'm actually currently getting ready to go. I have to go work. This is on Saturday, so this is my second job here. So I'm gonna go do some working on some wood projects I got lined up today, and then tonight I will touch base with you guys and kind of go over the car. But I just want to kind of show you what I got. Um, right now, it does have a good amount of work done to it, but like I said, I'll kind of go over that quickly with you, and we can go from there. So just want to kind of show you this currently, and we'll go from there. So have a good one, guys. Bye. Well, guys, here is the new mystery car that I just bought. It is a 1998 Cobra. It has a MMR motor in it, 900 series. It has a D1 Procharger on it, and it also has a built rear end with 410 gears. Here's the inside. You can kind of see it has 2001 Cobra seats in it. They're pretty rough. They definitely need some fixing. I mean, this is all messed up here. The rear seats are like brand new, but I mean the gauge cluster, the speedo's all messed up. So I mean, it does need some work, but it's a lot of potential. I can show you the trunk here. I got so many stuff for it. I got new headlights for it. I got new shocks, springs, brakes for it, bunch of piping, and it does not come with the rear trunk liner and everything, so I do got to get that. And then also in the back of my truck, I got the rear end all filled with stuff. I got some parts here. I actually got some wheels and tires. You can't really see them. Oh crap, now my lights don't work. That's awesome. But anyways, I got wheels and tires back in here. And I've got some brakes. I got brake calipers and rotors and all that good stuff. And then I'll set up and I'll show you the motor. Okay guys, so here is the motor. Like I said before, it has an MMR block motor in it with stage 2 blower cams, titanium valves, all that good stuff. And then it also has a D1 Procharger on it. It looks like it's making right around 12 pounds of boost, and he has a dyno. Didn't give me a dyno graph for it, but he said it made right just shy of 520 horsepower. But I mean, it needs cleaned up. I mean, I'm not really a red person, but we're gonna mess around with it a little bit. I got a lot of things in store for this car. I'm very excited about it. So I mean, it has a good fuel system. It has a 400 liters per minute fuel pump in it that he just put on, brand new. It has 60-pound injectors, blow through math with a tile wastegate. You can see it's way down in there. It's hard to see with all the piping, but you can kind of, there you go, you can kind of see it down in there. So he has that. It has shorty headers to an off-road H pipe, and then it has Flowmaster exhaust on it. I do have another exhaust system for it and a bunch of other odds and end things for it. So but like I said, it definitely needs a little bit of work here and there, and I'm just kind of excited to have another Mustang again. I had a white one. I did one video like a couple years ago of a white one that I owned. It was had an on-3 turbo kit on it and a bunch of other stuff. So I'm just excited to get into a Mustang again. So got this one really cheap, and I'm just gonna kind of build it up and make it another fun play toy where I can take the family out and have a good time. So that's kind of the plan with this thing. Just going to be a fun weekend toy, and definitely do some videos of it on doing some pools and all that stuff. So I still got to get it inspected and all that. I did get it from Maryland, so currently it does not have inspection or anything for PA. So got to get all that stuff good, and then we should be good on that. But just kind of was really excited about it. This has been in a couple weeks, been talking back and forth with this guy, so just hoping that this thing would work out. So we'll see how it goes. I'm really excited, and we'll stay tuned. But I'm just gonna kind of do. I'll take a little bit. Stay tuned for the videos to come with this thing. So, big plans with this thing, and we'll see how it goes.